down behind Spencer's yard. Jungle fever seems to be getting to everyone these days. Just forgive. He suspends time when he talks, blowing kisses to passers-by as he goes. Caught in the space between the lightning and the rumbling thunder. There's no sense in keeping quiet about it. He knows what he's doing all right. Smelling like some cheap hotel room philosopher. What a sense of humour. Sing like fantastic. Break the news. Hand out all the love you can muster. Play the blues. Flashback Jimmy holds court in the lobby of the local abattoir. Broken promises for everyone. No need to sell tickets when this man's in town. Hit the streets. The tornado struck about halfway down between Thompson and Fiddlers. Funny to think now how unusual he became towards the end. What the hell? Sing like fantastic. Break the news. Hand out all the love you can muster. Play the blues. Tokens in his hands, glaring at the sunshine. Feeling like his shoes, hollow like a lifetime. He's Flashback Jimmy. He went to the mountain and it followed him back without question. Who's joking now? These dogs of war get down and dirty too often for my liking. Get high, eat shit. He's never happy when it comes to the best of things. Days and days and days and days. The cool breeze calms only the most extreme trauma. Where does the time go?